All right, so let's talk about synthetic division. Synthetic division is a shorthand way of doing long division so that we don't have to go through this whole process. These regular long division problems, this is a quadratic problem, and it's this long. A cubic would be this long, a fourth degree would be this long, and they just get bigger and bigger the longer it goes. Synthetic is a way of taking out some of that excess work, and it's really just based on pattern recognition. Okay, and here's how we started. Since synthetic is not real division, we're going to flip our division sign. And what we're going to do is we're going to identify the coefficients in our polynomial that we're dividing. Okay, we're going to get rid of some of the extra noise. Notice that I put a 1 in front of that x squared because there is a coefficient there even if we don't see it. What we're going to do is we're going to drop these straight down, just the coefficients, and we'll get rid of some of that extra garbage. And then out here, I'm dividing by x plus 2. But this is a factor, okay? Remember, our factors imply that maybe negative 2 is the solution, okay? So out here, I'm going to put negative 2. And here's how this process is going to go. It's very iterative, just like this one, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to drop the 1 straight down. And then we're going to be taking whatever is in this spot and multiplying it by that divisor number that we came up with and putting it underneath the next term. So 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. And then since this is synthetic division, and we're upside down here, where we subtracted up here, what we'll do here is we will add. 5 plus negative 2 is 3. And then it starts over. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, and then we add to get 0. And once again, this is our remainder. Now where's the quotient on this one? The quotient is right here. We took all the noise out, and now we have to put it back in. We're going to put a plus sign in between here, and what we got to do is we got to put our variables back in. So we'll work our way backwards. This last term here is going to be my constant term, and we're in standard form, so we're going to increase in powers of x as we go up. So this is no x here, and then this one is x, and then as we go further, it would be x squared, x cubed, x to the fourth, etc. So our quotient is x plus 3. Same determinations, by the way. Our remainder here will still tell us, since it's 0, that x plus 2 is a factor of x squared plus 5x plus 6. And then I could write the quotient there and the divisor as a product to be equal to the dividend. Same idea.
YouTube tagged this as a short, so I had to add some filler.